What's the meaning of assuming? Assuming. Assuming.
Assuming. Assuming. Assuming is a term used to describe when someone takes something for granted or supposes something to be true without verifying it first. It is often used in situations where there is uncertainty or incomplete information. When someone assumes something, they make a guess or presumption based on their own beliefs or prior experiences. However, assuming can be risky as the assumption may not be accurate. It is important to avoid making assumptions and instead seek clarification or further information before making decisions based on those assumptions.